Good morning. Good morning and hearty welcome, warm welcome to one and all. Dignitaries on the dais, dignitaries of the dais, my faculty colleagues, invited guests and teachers from various schools. I must express all those who have come here a sincere thanks for their visit to our institute even on this very penetrating cold weather day. आप आए, आपका स्वागत है. All the dignitaries on the dais, our chief guest of today's function, former Vice Chancellor R.P. Yadav Sahab, special guests, Professor R.N. Prasad Sahab, Rawat Sahab, Maharia Sahab, my senior faculty colleagues, President VGU, Vijay Sahab, Pro VC, Punya Sahab, Registrar, Praveen Ji, principals of the two colleges, Dharmara Sahab, Principal VIT, Baldev Singh Ji, Principal VIT East, other dignitaries and our chairman, K.R. Bagadia Sahab, Registrar VIT East, YC Sharma Sahab, जो ऑर्गेनाइजर हैं इस पर्टिकुलर प्रोग्राम के, कपिल साहब, my all other faculty colleagues, and I extend you again a warm welcome. And before going into this particular workshop which has been organized, this is the second in the series, I must introduce the VIT campus for the benefit and knowledge of all those teachers who have come here and invited guests. This particular campus was established by Bagadia Education Trust in the year 2008. Twin institutes, VIT and VIT East, that is Vivekananda Institute of Technology and Vivekananda Institute of Technology East, were established on this particular campus with 4 courses in each. Intake was only 240 in each institute. Now it has grown, and the total intake of the students studying in 6 branches of engineering and MBA is 3,750 approximately. We added university in the year 2012, but we started admitting students to this UGC programs in the year 2013. We have won roles, more than 250 students in the VGU. We have 5 disciplines of engineering at BTech level, diploma level also 5 disciplines of engineering, BSc, which is running in a very low ebb at the moment. MTech program, we have got about 50 students, and similarly PhD also, we have got about 50 students enrolled. 1 semester has been completed successfully. In a period of only 6-7 years, we have made a good progress, and the campus that you are seeing with about 10 lakhs to 12 lakhs of square feet constructed area on 30.8 acres of land, it is growing further. The atmosphere, as you could see, it is a green lush with thousands of trees grown on this campus, lucid and conducive to studies. जब इस कैंपस में हम आए थे तो हार्डली 3-4 पेड़ थे जो अभी भी रखे गए हैं और उनको हम डेवलप भी कर रहे हैं. The thousands of trees that we have grown here, these are the efforts put in by the management. Normally, even the birthday of our director is celebrated on 8th August by growing trees, not only in the campus, around the campus, but all over Jaipur in various schools, various gardens and various places wherever we get a chance or we are invited to grow the trees. We want to see that with the efforts of our students and the faculty members, the whole Jaipur becomes green. That is the aim and object. Two things are very important in our institute, for which this will be known, is known now, and it will be known in the future also. Apart from imparting technical education or running the technical programs, giving them the educative skills in the field of technical disciplines in which they are studying, we inculcate in them a discipline in tune with what has been asked by our promoter, our inspiration, that is Vivekanand ji. विवेकानंद जी ने कहा था कि किसी भी यूथ का या स्टूडेंट का टोटल डेवलपमेंट बहुत जरूरी है. Not only giving them the emotional, ethics, physical, all round of development, or in one word he used to say total development is necessary. और उसके लिए हम एक तो डिसिप्लिन के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस देते हैं. Second is the various activities which are conducted here for the overall development of the students. Aim and object हमारा ये है कि ये इंस्टीट्यूट किसी पर्टिकुलर इस तरीके से जाना जाए स्टूडेंट्स के अप्रोच से, जैसे म्यूजिक के फील्ड में, डांस के फील्ड में घराने जाने जाते हैं. आप जानते हैं, ये कहते हैं लखनऊ घराने का है, हम कहते हैं ये उस घराने का है. हम ये चाहते हैं कि जब स्टूडेंट्स ग्रेजुएट होकर के निकलें तो पहचाना जाए कि ये VIT से ही निकला होगा. whenever he utters a few sentences and tells that what he has done, the way he is dressed, the way he approaches, उससे पता लग जाना चाहिए कि ये particular ऐसा एक character building is necessary in the students, so that ultimately in one word I would say that he becomes a good human being.